American Language Course Placement Test. Form 4R. Part 1. Listening. Directions for questions 1 to 25. You will hear questions on the test tape. Select the one correct answer, A, B, C, or D, and mark your answer sheet. Do not write on the test booklet. 1. John goes to the park on Wednesday of every week. When does he go to the park? Two. What month comes right after July? Three. What country is located south of the United States? Four. What is the name of the last month of the year? Five. If the teacher asks a question, what should you do? Six. Every man should read this book. Who should read this book? Seven. The pilot can land now. What can the pilot do? Eight. Today is Friday. I will see Mary tomorrow. When will I see Mary? Nine. The sun was shining and the sky was clear. How was the sky? Ten. Edward often uses the dictionary. What does Edward do? (11) Why did Sam go to the airport? (12) How far is it to the school? (13) Susan went to the zoo yesterday. What did she see there? (14) John is planning for a long flight. What is he planning for? 15. Mary doesn't like her jacket because one sleeve is too long. What is too long? 16. The theater was loaded with people. How was the theater? 17. That woman can lift very heavy objects. How would you describe her? 18. The trip was made over bumpy roads. What kind of roads were they? 19. This fruit grows on a vine. Where does it grow? 20. My friend works every day except Sunday. How many days a week does he work? 21. John would rather have a hamburger than a hot dog. What would he prefer? 22. John ate some dessert at noon. What did he eat? 23. The military is very concerned about this student. How does the military feel about him? 24. This student works independently of others. How does he work? 25. You should study your lesson in advance. When should you study your lesson? 'Directions for questions 26 to 50. You will now hear statements on the test tape. Select the one correct answer, A, B, C, or D, and mark your answer sheet. 26. I hear an aircraft. 27. Take your time. 28. I'm making the coffee now. 29. My friend felt sick yesterday. 30. He was getting tired from walking all afternoon. 31. This pencil is like that one. 32. The doctor says I have the flu. 33. Jack asked, "Do you enjoy fishing?" Tom replied, "Yes, it is my favorite sport." 34. He thought about buying the book. 35. This metal can be bent easily into any shape. 36. Air can be expanded. 37. The student is confused by all the names. 38. You should never skip class. 39. The mechanic is feeling a little blue today. 40. Joe always obeyed his father. 41. John was too late to catch the bus. 42. I expect Joe will go to the party. 43. Philip has just a little bit of money. 44. The motor sometimes gets overheated. 45. You must make your students study. 46. The instructor is listening and not talking. 47. Joe needs to visit a dentist for treatment of his tooth. 48. I have a date with my girlfriend this afternoon. 49. He had hardly any money with him. 50. Tom said, I'll write twice a week on my trip. 'Directions for questions 51 to 60. You will hear dialogues on the test tape. Select the one correct answer, A, B, C, or D, and mark your answer sheet. 51.
Where was Joe yesterday at noon?
He went to the barber shop.
Why did Joe go to the barber shop? 52.
Sergeant Brown, where are you going in such a hurry?
I'm going to the club for dinner.
Where will Sergeant Brown eat? 53.
Our friends are going to Chicago next month.
Yes, I know. This morning they told me they are going by jet plane.
How will the friends get to Chicago? 54.
Where did Captain Murphy go?
He went to headquarters. He has to report to the Commandant at 3:15.
When does the captain have to be there? 55.
Have you noticed anything unusual about the moon tonight?
Yes, there's a ring around it.
What does the woman see? (56)
How do you like Anne's new winter hat?
It's nice, and it's the brightest red I've seen.
What did the man say about the hat? (57)
Were Don's parents happy to meet his fiancée?
Yes, they were delighted to meet her.
Who were Don's parents glad to meet? (58)
Are the crops going to be good this year?
Yes, they should be, because we've had an excellent combination of rain and sunshine.
What are the woman and man talking about? (59)
Did your friend live after his terrible traffic accident?
I haven't gone to the hospital today, but I heard that he made it okay.
What did the woman hear about her friend? (60)
What would you do if one of your friends told you he didn't like the color of your hair?
I would probably ignore him.
What did the woman mean? This is the end of the listening part of the test.